Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're gonna have a Nerf gun battle, and it's gonna be Aiden and Armand for the Nerf gun battle. Okay, guys. I was just joking. And I hope you guys subscribe, like the video, put the notifications on, and if we make it for 10 subscribers, I will make more videos. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And we just made another video about kids perfect or boys perfect. We talked about trick shots and stuff, and I was videotaping behind the scenes. So let's go. Okay, guys, now let's go. I have to find them, and they're gonna have Nerf guns and stuff. I'm on. They're going to rock, paper, scissors.
Shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I get head start.
Okay, what all that was about is that I'm going to be with Aiden videotaping because he won rock, paper, scissors. And
so
Armand,
I get 20 seconds.
Yeah, and I'll
you have to put your face against the wall.
And Armand will have to count and try to shoot him, and he can shoot him back. Let's go,
Aiden. 3, 2, 1.
Sorry, guys, if the camera's shaking a lot. I have to be with this douche bag.
He's coming. Oh, wait. He's coming.
Armand's coming.
No, name this video Fortnite in real life.
Armand is coming. Shoot, let's go. Armand has arrived to his destination, and Aiden is scared behind the tree. Really important. He has two weapons. He has one, but that one weapon's really strong, and if he shoots him, he's down. And he has to shoot with the pistol. It's a two-shot, and then for this,
if you get 3 hits, you switch.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to shoot me. Shoot me back. Shoot me back.
He is running. As you see, Armand only has 1 ammo. He caught the ammo.
Don't touch my gun. Okay, man. Let's switch. Have this.
I have the big weapon.
I'll take the camera.
Okay, now Aiden.
There's Ethan. There's technically Bobby Joe. How many hits do you have on him? I was just shooting, so. How many hits do you have? I don't know. Okay, I'll go get the. Armand, you have 10 seconds to run away. Okay, no more shooting.
Oh shoot.
Okay. Now load up the gun. Armand, you have 10 seconds. You have a 30-second getaway because he didn't hit you. I hit him once. Okay, then run away. You only have 2 lives left. And Ethan still has 4. Okay. There goes Armand. Running away for dear life. And now we'll go somewhere to load up this gun. Okay.
Charlotte, you gonna do one more slide or?
There he is. Armand, you still have a chance to run away. So right now, Ethan K, Bobby Joe, is gonna get Armand once he loads up the gun. Armand can go anywhere around this school. So Armand has a huge advantage. Doesn't he, Ethan? Does Armand have a huge advantage?
Yep, he has probably the biggest advantage because I'm loading this gun.
The Bobby Joe gun.
Yeah, it's
He got custom made from Nerf.
Nerf, yeah, we got sponsored from Nerf.
Oh yeah, I'm just his friend. Cause he asked me and Armand and Ethan and another guy, but he's not here. Our mighty eagle over there. I'm Aiden, and he's Bobby Joe. And what fell? You can get that. Okay, no.
No, I haven't pressed that. I just took it out.
Okay.
Okay, now all sorted and ready.
Where's Armand? Oh no, the mighty eagle.
Okay, now. Wait.
Wait, Ethan, is it filming right now?
It's filming.
Okay, good. It's hard to.
Now.
Okay. Ethan, or Bobby Joe can get him. Armand has 1 life left. If he hits here, Ethan, Bobby Joe. Wait.
Yeah, I touched.
Yeah, I hit you.
The other one.
No, you.
Yeah. I hit your foot.
Okay, shoot him with the missiles.
Put him out! Oh, shit.
There's one more. No, there's one more. Oh, this one has no missiles. Has no guidance. Get him while you have the chance. Now, Armand, now you have the chance to run away. Run away, Ethan.
Got to get the ammo.
Armand, you can go as far as you want. You can go anywhere. Did we go to the lagoon too?
Okay, you put that there. I should get you. Okay. Still right now, we don't have to fall lanes right now, so that's a problem. But
Where are my bullets?
as you can see, Armand is coming from there.
He went. Armand, you can go anywhere. Armand, you can go anywhere. Right now, we're in the beautiful province of BC.
Yes.
The best province in the world. It's better than, what's it called?
Okay, we're starting.
Hawaii. Armand, you can run away. Go anywhere you want. It's the
He
bro.
has the one-shot kill weapon. Oh, it's pretty dangerous.
So Ethan can shoot as far. Ethan can shoot him. Oh wait. Oh, I have a bullet right here, Ethan. I have a bullet right here.
I lost a bullet here.
I have a bullet right here. Oh, keep moving. Aim at his face. Ethan! Okay. Bobby Joe is the winner. Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe is the winner. And now now me and Ethan and this Bobby Joe guy will face off in the championship. Won't we, Ethan? And I get my gun. Here's my pistol.
It's in my pocket.
Okay. Armand,
Oh, yeah.
Get-
Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Where's the other pistol? Where's the other ammo?
right here, right here. Armand.
Yeah, you almost shot my head.
Okay, Armand. Now you're the cameraman. Me and Ethan will battle for the finals.
Don't shake that much.
Okay. And you can talk. I don't want this. Ethan gets this.
Guys,
If he hits me twice with this gun, I lose 2 lives. And the last shot, I lose 1 life. So Ethan has a pretty big advantage with that gun.
because this gun has better accuracy. It can shoot farther, but this gun is crap.
No, but it's really it shoots far.
One shot and one shot.
Okay.
Okay.
See who gets the advantage to run away. 1 minute this time.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, so Aiden has 1 minute to get away.
5, 4.
Go with it. You have to
Wait,
go
Aiden, wait. Now.
Okay, I'm gonna go away. I have 1 minute. Ethan, start counting. No, why are you following me? You should watch it.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, I see his butt jiggling. 5, He's running over there. He's probably going to jump over there. So I have to get my, totally did not steal from Skywalker. My pistol. Try to shoot him because both of these weapons are one-shot kills. 30 seconds remaining. And yeah, we both only have one ammo for it. And as you can see, he has, I think, around 10. He doesn't have 10. He has less than 10.
Like 5?
Maybe 9. He has 2 rockets, and then the rest is ammos. So now let's go.
Watch out, you're gonna step on the mud.
This is. Here's a possibility.
I see Eden. Aiming for Ethan.
He's trying to shoot me. I heard the weapons he's jammed.
Aiden has passed through. Let's see. Ethan and Aiden running. Aiden has a hit on him. He's running. Aiden is aiming. Ethan is running. Aiden has won the final challenge. And now it's me and Ethan.
Trick shot time, boy. Trick shot.
Okay.
Pause the
Guys,
video.
come here, guys.
In the video.
Hey guys, I hope you guys smash the like button, subscribe, and put the notifications on. And comment down below if you want more videos. Bye.
That was hard.